Hello student, Hemant is here. So today we are going to start the new theorem of our chapter called Pythagoras theorem. So it is the very most important theorem because it is the theorem of geometric mean, and it is going to use in your numericals when we are going to solve. Okay. So the theorem name is theorem of geometric mean. It is the theorem of geometric mean, and we will apply this theorem in right angled triangle only. Okay, just you have to remember this theorem is applied on the right angled triangle. Okay, so the statement of theorem says, okay, statement says in the right angle triangle, see, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse, see, this is QS, it is the perpendicular segment on RP, on hypotenuse, that is nothing but hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, from which vertex, from the opposite vertex, that means जो एंगल 90 डिग्री का फॉर्म कर रहा है, हम वहां से एक लाइन खींचेंगे पर हाइपोटेनस पर बिल्कुल परपेंडिकुलर, हम उस परपेंडिकुलर की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो परपेंडिकुलर क्या है, क्यू एस है, किसके ऊपर है, पी आर क्यू पर, जो कि हमारा हाइपोटेनस है राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का. ओके, सो कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, we are drawing this segment from the angle which is of 90 degree to the perpendicular side, to the opposite side of that angle, that is on the hypotenuse. What we are drawing, the perpendicular. Okay, then opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Okay, so actually हमको प्रूफ क्या करना है, जो QS है ये ज्योमेट्रिक मीन है. ज्योमेट्रिक मीन का मतलब हम यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ PS एंड SR, वो किसके बराबर होगा, स्क्वायर ऑफ S क्यूब के. ओके, दैट वी हैव टू प्रूव. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व अवर थ्योरम. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट, द गिवन पार्ट. Given part. What is given? PQR is a right angle triangle. So triangle PQR is right angled triangle. See, right angle triangle का ये representation होता है. Okay, and segment QS is perpendicular on RP, where at a point S. Okay, so now we have to write to prove. So in this theorem, what we had to prove? We had to prove the geometric mean, that is QS. Okay, so QS square equals to RS into SP, or we can say PS into SR. That we have to prove. Okay, next. So we have to prove, and we have the diagram also. So we are going to start the proving our theorem. So we have to write proof. Okay. See, so in right angle triangle, which one, PQS, and another right angle triangle, that is QSR, in both right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, see, this is the representation of right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle PSQ and right angle triangle RSQ or QSR क्या हो जाएगा, सी, ये भी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है एंड ये भी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. सो डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट दैट, we have already seen in our previous theorem that all right angle triangle or any two or more than two right angle triangle, they are similar to each other. They are similar to each other because we have understand this part in triplet of the और triplet angles of the right angle triangle. हमने triplet में इसको पढ़ लिया था. Okay, so we can write these two right angle triangles similar because all the right angle triangles they are similar to each other. Okay, so here we have to write right angle triangle PSQ. See, PSQ, where SQ is perpendicular and there, yes, PSQ and right angle triangle QSR. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा? C, PSK, हाँ, they are similar, so we have to write directly here are similar. Triangle PSQ and right angle triangle QSR are similar because all right angle triangle are similar. Therefore, if these two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding sides are also similar. Okay, so we can write PS divided by QS equals to SQ divided by SR. See, we can write SQ को QS लिख सकते हैं और यहाँ पर QS जो है ना, तो यहाँ पर SQ लिखे, हम इसको QS लिख सकते हैं, QS. ओके, QS. सो अब देखो हमको क्या निकालना था, QS इंटू Q, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जाएगा QS का स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पर आ गया QS का स्क्वायर एंड PS इंटू SR, that we have to prove. So already we got the answer here. Okay, so we can write by cross multiplication. See, this SR is going to multiply with PS, so we have to write PS into SR equals to QS into QS. See, QS into QS is QS square equals to PS into SR. और यही हमको प्रूफ करना था. ओके, सी, QS square into PS into SR. So that we have to prove, and already we have proven. Therefore, we have to write hence proved. So we have to write just hence proved. Okay, so this is the way we have to prove our theorem called theorem of geometric mean. Okay, so write down this part of your theorem, and it is very important. For better understanding, just keep it this part of the video lecture so that you will understand more precisely. Okay, so write down now. So student, we are going to prove the Pythagoras theorem, and which is also the name of our chapter. That's why this theorem is really very important. This chapter is going to use in your next standard also. Okay, so this concept is very important, that is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let's understand what is Pythagoras theorem. So the statement of Pythagoras we are learning from the lower standard. That means in any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is always equals to the sum of square of other two sides. That means this is nothing but our statement of the Pythagoras theorem. Suppose in triangle ABC, angle P is of 90 degree. So the side opposite to the 90 degree is called as hypotenuse, which is AC. तो हमने क्या किया है, एक्चुअल में इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमने एक छोटा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन किया है. सो जो B वाला वर्टाइसेस से हमने अपोजिट साइड, दैट इज हाइपोटेनस के ऊपर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया है. परपेंडिकुलर मींस द एंगल which is formed 90 degree, that is called as perpendicular. Okay, so let's understand statement of the Pythagoras theorem once. So in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of square of other two sides. So in right angle triangle we are having three sides. One is hypotenuse, next one is base, and another one is height. Okay, so in right angle triangle ABC, angle ABC is angle ABC means हम बात कर रहे हैं एंगल B का, कितने का बेटा? इट इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैड टू प्रूव? वी हैड टू प्रूव दैट स्क्वायर ऑफ AC, we have to prove square of AC is equals to BC square plus AB square, that we have to prove. Okay, so construction is what? We have construct the segment BD on perpendicular on side AC, that means on hypotenuse. From where? From the vertices B, उस एंगल से जिसका एंगल का मेजर है 90 डिग्री, यानी राइट एंगल वाला जो वर्टाइसेस है हमने वहां से हाइपोटेनस के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, दैट इज आवर कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द प्रूफ. ओके, सो इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव प्रूव्ड वन थ्योरम, दैट इज इट सेज ऑल द राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल are similar to each other. So in this construction we have, after construction now we have three right angled triangle. One is of ABC, which is the most one, and the old right angle triangle, that is original right angle triangle. But after construction of BD perpendicular on AC, now we have two new right angle triangle. One is ABD, where the angle D is of 90 degree. So we can say triangle ADB. ADB में जो D वाला जो एंगल है वो कैसा है? 90 डिग्री का है. And in triangle BDC it is again of 90 degree. So now we have three different right angled triangle. One is original one ABC, then we have ADB, and we have BDC. Okay, so we have to write directly all these three triangles are similar to each other. How? Because all the right angle triangles are nothing but similar. Okay, so the right angle triangle ABC, then ADB and right angle triangle BDC. So we have these three right angle triangle in our diagram. So triangle ABC is similar to right angle triangle ADB, and it is similar to right angle triangle BDC. How? All we have to write reason, since all the right angled triangle are similar. So we have to write the reason also. Okay, so what is the reason? All the right angle triangles are similar, and we have already proven in our previous videos lectures theorem. Okay, so now we will take pair of two triangle ones with original triangle. So first we are taking triangle ABC and triangle ADB. In right angle triangle ABC and right angle triangle ADB. So they are similar. In both the triangle we can write side AB is similar to C. जब भी दो ट्राइंगल अगर सिमिलर होते हैं तो उनके जो साइड्स है वो भी कैसी होगी? सिमिलर होगी. दैट मींस इन सेम रेशो में होगी. क्या हो जाएगा? AB डिवाइड बाय AD. वी हैव टू राइट AB डिवाइड बाय AD इक्वल्स टू, ये हो जाएगा AC डिवाइड बाय AB, हो जाएगा AC डिवाइड बाय AB which is equals to BC divided by BD. BC divided by BD. How? कैसे होगा ये? करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल, इससे करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल से. ओके, सो देन सी हमको तो यहाँ पे सारे के सारे नहीं चाहिए, हमको कोई भी दो साइड्स का रेशो चाहिए. सो वी आर टेकिंग दिस फर्स्ट टू रेशो ऑफ द साइड्स. तो हो जाएगा AB डिवाइड बाय AD इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा AC डिवाइड बाय AB. सी इस AB को हमने ट्रांसफर किया इधर, सो AB इंटू AB हो जाएगा AB स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू, इस साइड में क्या बच गया AC इंटू AD. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके, नाउ वी आर टेकिंग next pair of angle. Now in right angle triangle ABC and in right angle triangle BDC and right angle triangle BDC, कैसे ये दोनों सिमिलर है. ट्राइंगल ABC is similar to right angle triangle BDC. अब अगेन दोनों सिमिलर है तो क्या हो जाएगा, उनकी जो साइड्स है वो कैसी होगी, सेम रेशियो में होंगी. देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा AB डिवाइड बाय BD इक्वल्स हो जाएगा AC डिवाइड बाय BC इक्वल्स हो जाएगा BC डिवाइड बाय DC, BD डिवाइड बाय DC. You do not have to write such arrows. Okay, here also we have to erase it. Now see, we have to take these two pair. Okay, so what, therefore क्या हो जाएगा AB डिवाइड बाय BD इक्वल्स टू AC डिवाइड बाय BC. So again see, AB डिवाइड बाय BD इक्वल्स टू AC AB divided by BD equals to AC divided by BC equals to BC or AC divided by BC. Then BC divided by DC. BC, it is BC divided by DC. BC divided by DC. Okay, so here we have to take this part. Okay, here we have AB square. Now we have to need BC square. So we have to need BC. That means we have to take this part. So we can write AC divided by BC equals to BC divided by DC. So BC into BC is BC square. And what will remain here, AC into DC. Therefore AC into DC equals to BC into BC. So BC into BC is BC square equals to, what will remain here, AC into DC. So give it equation number 2. Equation number 2, or we can write in Roman. So now we have to add both the equation. We have to add both the equation. So we have to write by adding both the equation. By adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get, what we will get, BC square plus C इक्वल के इस वाले इस साइड में लिखना है BC, और we can write first AB square plus BC square equals to, what will have here, AC into AD, AC into AD plus we have AC into DC, AC into DC. next part we are proving here. Okay, so ABC and AC is common in both the part, so we have to take AC common. Therefore AB square plus BC square equals to, we have AC common here, AC and AC we have common, so we have taken common. Now what will remain here? AD plus DC. AD plus DC. See, AD plus DC equals to AC. Since ADC are collinear, therefore we can write AD plus DC equals to AC. It is equal to sign. Therefore AB square plus BC square equals to AC into, instead of AD into DC we are writing AC. So AC into AC is AC square. Therefore AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so this is the part that we had to prove. What is AC? AC is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse का square equals to other two side के square के sum के बराबर है. That means it is a mathematical expression for the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have to write hence proved. Hence proved. See here, we have to write AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So students, this is all about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is the very important theorem. You have to repeat this part also so that you can understand Pythagoras theorem easily and how to prove the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है, समझ में आता है, तो इट इज गुड एंड इनफ. अगर नहीं तो प्लीज टू कीप रिपीट द वीडियो, वॉच अगेन, and if you are any getting doubt, then call me between 4 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so students, bye for now.